I want to show y'all something. This is something I grew up cooking, and this is something that is really big in New Orleans. They got a whole restaurant that does nothing but these, and we call them beignets. It's kind of like a donut, but it's different with powdered sugar and stuff. And you can hop them up and put different stuff in them if you want. But I'm gonna show you how we done it coming up as kids. All right, get my old handy dandy knife here. Y'all got to open this bag up. Y'all, beignets have been around for years and hundreds of years. I've been making them my whole life. I got a funny story to tell you about these things. When I made them for my brother loved them, okay? My little brother. So what had happened was, let's put a little more, because I'm probably going to eat more than this. My little brother, I used to make them for him all the time. He's a lot younger than me. But what happened when he was little, I would make them for him all the time. He just loved them. We're going to add water. That's it. Water. Water. All right. But I was making them for my little brother all the time. He just loved them. Well, when he got married, he had a little daughter, and he was going to make them for her. I said, cool. Well, he called me one night. He said, dude, how long do you boil them? I said, boil what? He said, we making beignets. How long do you boil them? He was putting them in boiling water, and it just didn't work that way, y'all. Boiling water don't work. You got to deep fry these things. And don't use fish oil that you done fried fish or something in, because it just won't taste right, I guarantee that. You need to get you some good vegetable oil and heat it up. Make sure you don't cook nothing in it before. Now, you could cook something afterwards in it, like fried chicken, but you don't want to cook your chicken first and then make donuts. It ain't the same of beignets. Okay, y'all, we about got this where we want it. I'm just looking for the right consistency, and my consistency is about like biscuits. That's basically what you do. I like to get it, you see how it's rolling a little bit? Now, I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit as soon as I find my solution here. You see it's a little loose? And we're gonna do this. Put a little bit more on there, and then I'm gonna twirl it around so it don't stick. Oh yeah, we about got it, y'all. Oh yeah. Dough it up. We're gonna set this right here. We're gonna pour a little bit of dough right, y'all. Little flour. Now this is a mix here. You don't have to use a mix. I use this. I use Pioneer Bix mix. Just different ones to make it in. We never had none of this when I was a kid. I didn't know if they made it or not, but I know we couldn't afford it. Okay, we're gonna drop that ball right there. All right, we're gonna roll around a little bit. Okay, we got to just pound this out to make it. We're gonna cut some beignets, and we're gonna have to cut them a little bit. All right, let me see how I do. Now I'm gonna cut them like this, and I'm gonna move this. I want these to look pretty. Watch this, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna turn this cutting board this way, square that up. Now don't throw that away, because you can still use that, yeah. Watch me. Okay, we're gonna cut it, and we're gonna make about, I guess that'd be 1.5 inch, 2 inch squares out of this. And like I say, most of your simple stuff is fun anyway. And you can do this while you're camping and stuff, and just cutting up. Everybody always eats these. Beignets is just a must. It's a big thing down in New Orleans. They go down there. You got a restaurant, Cafe Des Moines. Cafe Des Moines, something like that. Y'all look it up. You know I can't talk right. But anyway, they make these, and they serve you coffee, chicory coffee. Chicory's all right once in a while, but not all the time. All right. I'm gonna pick this whole board up. No, I'm not. I'm gonna just start dropping these in this oil. Y'all watch this. Watch it. Okay, y'all, we're gonna let these cook. Just watch them. All right, y'all, we just waiting on this oil. The oil's at the right temperature. Watch them, see how they puffing up. That's what you want. We're gonna let them sit here just a minute, and we're gonna turn them. This is one of the recipes you really need a big batch of them, because they do go quick. So we're gonna let these cook just a minute. All right, y'all, I'm telling y'all this is fast. It does not take long at all to do this. We're fixing to go ahead and take these out, y'all. All right, I got the paper towel down there just to soak up a little of the oil. All right, y'all, you got to do these in batches, but keep your oil hot. Make sure your oil is hot, and whatever's left over, roll it up and make another one. All right, here we go. Get in there. Oh, man. I think I cooked too many. Now, the last thing we need to do is put these over here. Got to doctor them up a little bit. Get just another one. All right, y'all, this is traditional. This is just what we do in New Orleans, okay? Load them up. You will see people, you'll know when you pass the restaurant. Right before you get to them, this is what you see. Everybody has white powdered sugar all over their lips. Okay, we gotta let that sit on there. Melt just a little bit. Now on this side, we're gonna do it a little bit different. Shh, bird, I'm talking. We're putting this Snickerdoodle on here, y'all. And that's gonna be the different part. Oh, you smell it? You got a lot of cinnamon. And best put them on when you first take them out and it's hot and it kind of melts into it. Makes it a lot gooder. Get y'all some of this. All right, y'all, this is it. We got the Snickerdoodle on this one. Got a little different texture than the regular donut, but they're good. This is something we grew up eating. This is traditional. If you don't look like this when you're eating it, you're doing something wrong. Good.